Morning. Hi, I'm Laudiaann. Welcome to another video from me. Okay, I have a presentation and it's a giveaway of some of the recipes I love, I enjoy in the morning. So I want to share them with you. So follow me through this presentation. Don't forget to write down the recipe. Okay, now, first of all, I want to explain what a smoothie is. It is a delicious drink made with fresh fruits and vegetables, blended all together with milk and yogurt. This tasty and creamy beverage is typically served cold, and it is very filling. And if you don't want tea or coffee, if that's not your choice of beverages to begin your day, trust me when we say that a glass of smoothie may be exactly what you need. Okay, so sometimes I drink smoothie in the morning only because I put protein elements in it, to give me a boost of energy every morning. So actually, fresh fruits and vegetables, if you blend it together, it is fantastic. It makes you feel great. It makes you feel healthy, and it makes you feel good because you put nourishment in your body early in the morning, and it's really good for you, and you feel good about yourself because you put something good in your body. Okay, so let's continue on, and let me share with you some of these recipes. The very first recipe I want to share with all of you is banana walnut smoothie. Just a boost of energy, that's all you need, right, for the day. This has iron and potassium. It's very rich, blended along with walnuts, honey, and yogurt. You should try this recipe. You're going to love it. And the benefits of it has iron in it, and it's full with potassium, and that's what our body needs. Every morning we need that energy, and this will help you alternate from taking iron pills, right? We don't want to take iron pills. We can actually create it and make it and blend it in a blender to get our iron for our body and potassium. Banana has a lot of potassium, so which is good. And honey is also good for you. And to make the thickness of the smoothie, we always use yogurt. And so you create your smoothie, you make it good for you. Let's see the next recipe. Ooh, yummy. The next recipe is mango coconut smoothie. Oh, this is such a delicious drink if you love coconut and if you love mango. Actually, these are the fruits that are my favorite, and I love and enjoy eating it by itself, but blending it into a smoothie, oh my gosh, it's so wonderful. In this ingredient, you can put a half a cup of chopped up or chunks of mango, and you can add a half a cup of coconut milk to make the smoothie thicker, or you can use coconut water too as well. And in addition, you can add some chia seeds and put some protein powder if you want some energy, and this is actually going to wake you up in the morning. You're going to feel great. And I hope you write down this recipe because it's really good. All right, let's see the next recipe. Now, if your taste buds are melting and you're excited, your mouth is ready for a smoothie. I know you want a smoothie right now, but the next recipe is melon and kiwi smoothie. And this drink is going to keep you hydrated all day long. You're not going to feel dehydrated. Just a taste of chunks of melon added with a chunk of kiwis, and add some milk, add some honey, put protein powder if you want, whatever additional elements you want in your smoothie. A lot of people use chia seed because it's good for your body, but this is another smoothie that will keep you hydrated all day long. Okay, let's see the next recipe. Banana oats smoothie. Oh, that is so good. I actually enjoyed this recipe. This recipe is immunity boosting for breakfast, and it's great for the morning. It is a high protein smoothie packed with banana and oats. And you can also add along some turmeric, cinnamon, and some honey. This recipe only takes 5 minutes to whip up, and it's very quick to make. So enjoy this delicious banana oats smoothie. You're gonna love it. Mango oats smoothie. This is another immunity boosting breakfast, that's for sure. It is high protein, packed with the goodness of a half a cup of mango and a fourth a cup of oats, along with some vitamin C, half a cup of orange juice, with a half a cup of banana for potassium, and then make sure you add 1/3 of yogurt, and make sure everything is cut up, even your banana. So you can actually soak your oats with milk if you want, overnight. Some people make their smoothie however delicious they want it, so be creative when you make your smoothie. But I'm here to give you the ingredients. You can add anything you want in your smoothie. The way you make all your smoothies, a lot of people put protein powder. But anyway, enjoy, and this is a delicious drink as well. This is something that everyone really enjoy, and it is granola fruit smoothie. You cannot just only have it in a cup, but you can have it in a bowl. And granola is basically a crispy roasted oats mixed with nuts, as much we all love, with a crunchy texture. This recipe combines with toasted goodness of granola along with the apple, banana, any type of fruit you want to put in, as long as you put Greek yogurt to make it wholesome and filling and tasty for breakfast. Now, I love to add blueberries. You can add raspberry. You can add anything you want in your granola fruits cereal smoothie. You can call it a cereal too, because it's in a bowl, but you can also prepare it into a cup, and you can put it overnight into the refrigerator. However you want to make your granola fruit smoothie, that is your choice. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Continue on and let's see what's next. Almond, ginger, and custard apple smoothie. Now this is a really great treat because it is really good. It's very, very healthy, and it's made of refreshing ingredients like ginger. You know, you can grate some ginger in here and put some almonds in the blender, and green cardamom, and along with custard apple, chop some up with some milk, and this makes it actually a fruity treat for all of you. This is so delightful to drink. Hey, you made it to the end of some of the recipes that I love and that you will enjoy. I hope everybody loved this video presentation that I just shared with all of you. Take it to heart. Make sure you write down this recipe and make it your own. Be your creation when you make your smoothie. You can add anything you want. Okay, it's all in what you love and enjoy and what you love to drink. Okay, so thank you all for listening to my video presentation. I'm Laudiaann. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you love this video presentation, leave a comment. Subscribe. Make sure you put subscribe under the comment that you enjoyed this video. All right, I love you all. Come back. I'm going to do better content for you, all of you. So I really need your participation, and I need you to subscribe to my channel. All right, share this recipe with everybody. This is all for you and all for free. All right, thank you and have a great day. See you in the next video.